Today we have to develop the model of the equation a plus b bracket square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is the equation, and we have to develop the model with the use of Simulink blocks.
Okay.
Development, we have to do first solver setting. In this, we have to select fixed step solver descript, and we put 1 as a step size. Okay, now we will take a constant block for variables. We put 6 here, 3. Okay, this is a, this is b. Okay, now we take add block. Okay, take square, connect add block and square block. Display, in display we can see the result of a plus b bracket square. Run. Okay, 2, 2. Okay, 2 plus 2, 4, and 4 square 16. Okay, good. Now we develop the logic for a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now we can develop the logic a square plus b square plus 2ab, like. Now we will take 2 square for a square and b square. Okay, and then we take a product for also with 3 inputs. This is for a square, this is for b square, and sorry, so constant 2 for 2ab. A, and this for b, u square, u square. Okay, then we'll take add block with 3 inputs. Here we connect square block to the add block. Okay, uh, this is A, this is B, is 2AB. Okay, we can compare the results, okay, with the use of display block. Okay, now we will run the model. Okay, 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 it is correct. We will change the input values 3 and here 4, and we'll check the result. Okay, so okay, that is correct. And this is the whole model for a plus b bracket square and a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is a expansion equation of a plus b bracket square. So thank you so much.